In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create double opt in ActiveCampaign. We're going to walk through how to turn on double opt-in for a form you already have in your account and how to customize the confirmation email your new subscribers receive. By the end, you'll have a more compliant and higher quality email list, and your subscribers will know exactly what they're signing up for. First, log into your ActiveCampaign account and head over to the left-hand menu. Look for the section labeled Website and click on it. Inside that area, you'll see an option called Forms. Go ahead and click Forms to bring up a list of all the forms you've created. Find the form you want to use double opt-in on. Next to that form, you'll see an Edit button. Click Edit to open up the form builder. This is where you control what your form looks like, as well as what happens after someone submits it. On the right-hand side of the screen, you'll see several tabs. Click on the tab labeled Options. This tab controls the behavior of the form once someone fills it in. Within the Options area, look for the section called On Submit. This section tells ActiveCampaign what to do after a visitor hits the Submit button. You should see a form action that says something like Subscribe to List. Next to that action, there's a small gear icon for settings. Click that gear icon to open the settings for this specific action. Inside the settings, you'll see an option called Opt-in Confirmation. This is the toggle that turns double opt-in on or off. Switch the opt-in confirmation toggle to on. That means that when someone fills out your form, they won't be fully added to your main list until they confirm their subscription through email. Once you've turned it on, click the Edit button that appears for the confirmation email. This opens the editor where you can customize the subject line, the message, and any branding such as your logo or colors. Keep the email clear and simple, and make sure the call to action stands out so people know they need to click to confirm. When you're happy with the email, click Done to save those changes. Now, back in the form builder, click Save to make sure all of your settings are stored. Then, in the top right corner, click Integrate. This is where you can grab the embed code or share link for your form if you need it. Finally, choose Save and Exit to return to your main dashboard. At this point, your form is fully set up with double opt-in, and anyone who signs up will receive a confirmation email before they're officially added to your list.